And thanks for being with Morning Live. Now, the South African Municipal Workers Union, or SAMWU, is calling for the Amathole District Municipality in the Eastern Cape to be placed under administration. And this follows last week's announcement that workers and councillors wouldn't be paid for the next 5 months. Now, the union is accusing the municipality of financial mismanagement, maladministration, corruption, and poor service delivery. And to discuss this further, we're joined by Dumisane Magagula, who's the SAMWU's Deputy General Secretary. And thanks so much for your time. Welcome to Morning Live.
Thank you, Sakina, and good morning to the viewers of Morning Live.
So some were calling for the Amathole District Municipality to be placed under administration. But how would you describe the state of the municipality right now?
Sakina, the municipality is in dire straits. This is one of the municipalities that has been paying salaries of employees late. They have failed to implement the salary wage collective agreement, but underlying is that the municipality is failing to deliver services to the communities. And as Municipal Workers Union, our concern is that this municipality is failing the communities, and it is entrusted constitutionally and obligated to provide service delivery to the communities of Amathole.
So
and as far as we're concerned, the municipality is in a state where it should be dissolved, according to what we understand. The Section 139 of the Constitution of South Africa gives a ground for dissolution of a municipal council where the council fails to manage their finances, where they fail to meet their financial obligations, and they cannot adopt a budget. And we have made this call over and over again, and we still do not understand why the provincial government is reluctant to take a decision to place this municipality under administration.
You say you don't understand why the municipal government is not heeding your call. Have you engaged them at all? And if so, what have they said to you directly? If not, have they indicated why they are not willing to engage with you?
Look, the call has been made over numerous engagements with the provincial government. Throughout the past 2 years, we've been engaging over and over again with the MEC, and there has been undertakings made, but there's been no action that follows. And we have now come to resolve to take the municipality to court together with the provincial government to have the court compel provincial government to put this municipality under administration. And we have learned from the case in Makana that the court will rule in our favor because grounds are in place and there is no way that they will be able to get out of this situation with the current municipal manager and the administration of that municipality. And we must emphasize, our call for this administration is not necessarily only around the failure of the municipality or the intention not to pay salaries, but it's mostly because we as municipal workers are firstly community members, and we're not getting the services that should be going to the community. I mean, municipal workers will tell you, by the time that the municipality says they cannot afford to pay salaries, they've already failed over a number of months to deliver services that should be going to the communities.
Now, the woes of this district municipality are well documented. And one of the stories that grabbed the headlines not so long ago was about the municipality employing 900 employees when it was and is in fact broke. So looking at the structure, the organogram of this district municipality, is it bloated?
Look, those are the things. When we call for the provincial government to intervene, first they should do a Section 105 investigation. You know, we cannot say from the air that the structure is bloated. There needs to be a proper investigation, and that investigation should be instituted through provincial government. It is in the legislation that if the municipality is facing difficulties, the provincial government should come in.
All right, that signal seems to have been lost. A frozen picture there of Dumisane Magagula of SAMWU as we continue to talk about the woes of the Amathole District Municipality. And in the headlines this week, of course, this particular municipality, because of some of the latest developments, that they would not be able to pay salaries for 5 months. Well, they have been struggling as a municipality to pay those salaries. Not only now, but over the years, they've been taking out bank overdrafts in order to be able to cover salaries, among other things. So there are so many issues to unpack and trying to peel back the layers and understand exactly what is happening. Dumisane Magagula is the Deputy General Secretary of the South African Municipal Workers Union, or SAMWU, talking to us about some of these issues in the Amathole District Municipality. Dumisane, thanks for getting back to us now. We were talking about what is actually going on and how this municipality actually came to find itself in the position that it is in right now, in financial dire straits, to the point where you are calling for it to be placed under administration. What would you say are the main reasons for why the municipality is in financial dire straits?
Look, firstly, it's something that we have said over and over again, and it has been confirmed through audit. This municipality has failed audit. And when a municipality fails audit, it doesn't say that the municipality is not getting revenue. It says that this municipality is not collecting revenue properly. That's a management weakness. This municipality is not managing the revenue that they get properly. They are appointing service providers unnecessarily. They have appointed staff only on higher positions, which are not necessary. And these are all the things that we say. We're not even going to say the municipality is definitely under these conditions without an investigation. So that is the situation. There's corruption in the municipality. It has not been dealt with. Recommendations of the Auditor General have been ignored. A municipal manager is in place and he has not done anything to take the municipality out of this situation.
Now, speaking of the municipal manager, you have blamed him specifically for the problems within the municipality, and you've also called for him to step down. So explain to us exactly how you believe that he specifically contributed to the state of the municipality right now.
Any municipal manager is the final accounting officer of that municipality. And if decisions are not taken, if action is not taken, the blame will go to the chief administrator of the municipality. And he has displayed arrogance when it comes to labor issues. He has refused to sit with us, to come to where we understand what is the situation in the municipality and to attend to the issues that we have pointed out. I mean, this is the gateway for us to say we are in consultation with the municipality. But if such a municipal manager comes to where they become arrogant, they issue a letter, for example, on the 7th of January and say, we're not going to pay salaries for the next 5 months. And we know that this letter comes after they lost the exemption at the bargaining council, and exemption appeal is today. And in the run-up to the exemption appeal, he issues this letter in order to frustrate the process. So we believe that he is not a municipal manager that's willing to take the municipality, and he has been entrusted with that responsibility as a deployee of the African National Congress. And even where the African National Congress, through intervention, has said they agree with us on steps that should be taken to assist this municipality, we have not seen them come to fruition under his management.
Now, Dumisane, the municipality does admit to incurring a lot of debt, but they also say that unlawful industrial action by employees affiliated to your union have also cost the municipality around 19 million rand. What's your response to that?
Look, industrial action, there is legislation to deal with it. Whether it's unlawful or lawful, whenever employees go on an industrial action, it simply means that employees are making a call that there is a crisis in the municipality. And we are not going to keep quiet. In fact, we will go back to industrial action and shut down that municipality by the end of this month and all the towns under Amathole, because the communities are suffering and we cannot, as a stakeholder and a major stakeholder in the municipality, keep quiet while these things are going on. If we were getting the necessary attention, there would be no need for industrial action. But this industrial action comes, and they have been coming because we are making a call to be heard when there are issues that are affecting the communities within which we are living.
So you're calling for the municipality to be placed under administration. You vowed to take action to make sure this happens. Explain to us exactly what you plan on doing in order to ensure that this plan actually comes to fruition.
Firstly, court, we are approaching the High Court and both the Labour Court for the breach of contract, where the municipality is intending not to pay salaries. By the way, they're also not paying third parties, they're not paying pensions, they're not paying medical aids. We are also taking them to court together with the provincial government to have court compel provincial government to put the municipality under administration. Then we're going on an industrial action. We're going on mass mobilization to make sure that we shut down these areas until we are ahead, until at a political level, a decision is taken to review leadership in that municipality.
Well, let's leave it there for now. Dumisane Magagula, thank you so much, Deputy General Secretary of the South African Municipal Workers Union, talking to us about the state of the Amathole District Municipality in the Eastern Cape. And we're going to go to news headlines, and after